Tampa North traffic, Bonanza 7517 November 5 to the southeast, 1,200 will be transiting east to west, 5 south of the field at 1,200 Tampa North. Tampa North traffic, Bonanza 7517 November 4 to the southeast, west transition 1,200. We've got a southwest white high wing in sight. Tampa North traffic, Bonanza 17 November 10 to the west, 1,500 climbing 3,500 will be north via the coast, Tampa North. Remember how to put in 122725?
Big comp, right?
Yep. 122725. There you go, don't switch. Okay, if you'll switch us to 122725, please. Com, switch. And if you will preload 122.9. Crystal River traffic, Bonanza 7517 November 15 to the south, be overflying the field 3,500, then departing to the northwest, Crystal River. Crystal River traffic, Bonanza 17 November 5 to the south, overflying field 3,500 south north, Crystal River. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November 10 to the southeast, 2,500 descending, joining left base runway 23, full stop Cedar Key. Alright, gas is on the tank of my choice. The undercarriage is still up. Mixture's now full rich. Prop's going to be going forward. Power's in my hand, switches are already on. Your seatbelt's on, my seatbelt's on. Gear's coming down. I hear it, feel it, see it. The green light, gear is down and locked. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November is joining a wide left base runway 23, this will be full stop Cedar Key. Flaps 10. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November, 2 mile final runway 23, full stop Cedar Key. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November, final 23, full stop Cedar Key. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November is taking 5 to back taxi for departure runway 23 Cedar Key. Engines are green. Airspeed's coming up. Airspeed's alive. Positive rate. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November, upwind runway 23. We will be departing to the South Cedar Key. Cedar Key traffic, Bonanza 7517 November, left crosswind 23. We'll be departing pattern to the east-southeast Cedar Key. Crystal River traffic, Bonanza 7517 November, 12 to the northwest, 4,500 be overflying the field, then departing southbound to Crystal River. Jack's departure, Bonanza 7517 November, request.
Red Lake 198, radar contact, 4 south of the Ocala Airport, turn left heading 090, climb maintain 5,000.
Jack's departure, Bonanza 7517 November, VFR request.
And ending 17 November, so you give me your full call sign, request altitude, and or full call sign, type aircraft, and destination.
Bonanza 7517 November, BE 35, just south Crystal River, 3,500, flight following, Tampa Exec, Victor Delta Foxtrot, please.
Bonanza 7517 November, Jack's approach, squawk 2604.
2604.
Number 17 November, radar contact 4 miles south of the Crystal River Airport, Ocala, altimeter 3005.
Position checks 3005, 17 November.
17 November, contact Tampa approach 125.3. Good day.
25.3, thanks so much, we'll see you 17 November. 25.3. And switch.
Number 779, squawk 6223.
Tampa approach, Bonanza 7517 November, 3.5.
There's a 7517 November Tampa approach, see Tampa altimeter 3007. Advise when you have the weather at Tampa Executive.
0.07, we'll get the weather here in just a moment, 17 November.
After November 17 November, when you're able to reset the transponder, squawk 2123.
2123, 17 November.
November 17 November, descend and maintain 2,500.
Down to 2.5, 17 November.
November 17 November, turn 10 degrees left vector around Tampa arrivals and contact Tampa approach 119.9er.
That was 10 left and Tampa 19.9 for 17 November.
That's correct, 17 November.
Tampa approach, Bonanza 7517 November is at a 3 for 2.5 with vectors.
17 November, Tampa, roger. November, proceed on course to Tampa Executive.
On course Tampa Exec, and we do have the weather, 17 November.
Excellent. For 17 November, descent your discretion and mount a Tampa Executive advising you of the airport.
Down to PD and we'll advise for 17 November. Bonanza 17 November, field in sight.
17 November, the radar services are terminated. Squawk 1200, talk to you later.
1200, thanks so much for your help, we'll see you. Tampa Exec traffic, Bonanza 7517 November 10 to the north, 2000 inbound, be joining a right base, runway 23 full stop, Tampa Exec. Gas is on the tank of my choice, undercarriage is still up, mixture is coming forward, prop's going to go full forward on final, power's in my hand, switches are now all on, my seatbelt's on. Is your shoulder strap on?
I just took it off.
Okay, please put it on.
Tampa Executive Cirrus 373 Alpha is 8 miles to the northeast, 2,000 feet inbound, runway 23, Tampa Executive.
Tampa Exec traffic, Bonanza 17 November 4 to the north, be joining a right base, runway 23 full stop, Tampa Exec.
Okay, we're looking for you, 370.
Here, just coming down. Hear it, feel it. Green light, see it, gears down and locked. Tampa Exec traffic, Bonanza 17 November, final runway 23, full stop, Tampa Exec. That was pretty nice.
Yeah, it was very nice, smooth. Yep.